Hello everybody and welcome to my I actually don't know what tutorial video this is, but anyways, it's a tutorial video, and today I am going to teach you how to make like, I'm not that good at hammer editing, but I'm going to teach you the basics of that. So first step, install Portal 2. Quite obvious. And then you want to, when that's done, you do that, then tools, then you scroll down all the way and you should find here. I uninstalled it, that's why you can see this thing right over here. This is let's just start installing this, and meanwhile, while it is super duper fastly installing this, and it's already done, so I'm just gonna do this handy tool I made, and now we have an icon here, so let's click that and Hammer World Editor, and it will open Hammer. And so you don't really need to do this, but I mean, you probably should do this. It'll serve you good. So just watch what I do, and first you have to click File and New, and I have emptied my map list, which is very short, and we can just close that. So File, New, and as you can see, a bunch of more windows just popped up. Now your window should look something like this. I'm just going to change them to my liking, so hit View, Screen Elements, and remove that manifest bar. We don't need that. Tools, Options, 2D views, default to 15-degree rotations, 3D views, and you can do this, and these options are depending on your computer power. So my computer is a lot of power, so I just did this. And last but not least, actually second last, I just want to mention that Microsoft, why can't you just give us the option to put the Windows 7 windows? I mean, Valve did it. Thank you very much, Valve. And anyways, last but not least, hit full screen. And anyways, hit Control A to center it. And so now we're going to make a room. So first, these are 4 viewports. This is the 3D view where you can just fly around like the no clip, top, front, and side. And so we're going to start by clicking this thing right over here, and we're just going to drag it, and it's a perfectly square shape. And if you're wondering how I'm flying right now, I just hovered my mouse over the 3D viewport and then I press Z. And so let's just quickly adjust the height right over here. That's a pretty tall chamber, so I'm just going to do that. And anyways, once that is done, hover or just hit enter, and as you can see, it's just a bunch of wires. To fix this, hit Camera 3D Textured, and this is the texture that that Valve made the default one. To change this, first exit this, hit Browse, and I'm just gonna search for, I always do this, we're going to search for wall, and I'm going to pick a nice portal surface wall. I don't think I want to do rusted aperture, but anyways, you can see that it's right over here. To apply the texture, you hit this, you hit that, and then you hit that. And as you can see, we have a box with the texture that we wanted. To make a room, you hit tools, make hollow, make hollow. Make sure to select that. Make hollow, -64, and it will become bigger, but that's just a hollow. And as you can see, we now have a room. And so I actually don't really want to make it like literally this short. I actually don't know how much I have been recording for. How much have I been recording for? Oh my god, 6 minutes. That's insane. Anyways, let's make this spawn point. You hit this thing right over here, and then you click anywhere here, and you cannot move things in the 3D viewport, so we just hit the select tool and move it to the center of the map. And now what you want to do is you want to hit save, and you can save it here, but I have a maps folder here, so I'm just gonna name it first. Actually, I'm gonna name it video, and then I'm gonna name it video. Make sure, and if you want spaces, put underscores. I just have like this. And anyways, now what we're going to do is we're going to run the map. And so let's just hit file, run map, or you can press F9 or FN F9. You hit that, you hit OK, and then that happens. Portal 2 opens, and it will also open with your map. So as you can see, we are in the map. Nothing too interesting, it's so bright. And let's just optimize the game for Hammer. This is optional, but if you want a windowed thing, you can just do windowed or no border, or run in a window. I'll just leave it on Windows no border. And this is a good resolution, and as you can see, it did the resolution. Let me just done. And anyways, so if your map did not run, oh yes, I forgot to say something. Shout out to Stanley Likes Cian for making 3 videos of almost everything I know about Hammer. So I don't actually you know what?
However,
if the map did not run, and if you only saw the command prompt, then
the map isn't actually running. This is because Valve is dumb. No, really, I'm not joking. This is a bug that happens in certain versions of Hammer. To fix this, you actually have to click on Expert and then press Enter. It's a bit weird. Once you've done that, Portal 2 should load up along with your map.
Yeah, so anyways, once that is done, you won your map, it is successful, and we're just going to save it again. And now we're going to add the portal gun. To do this, you have to click Entity, do that, and select tool, do that, and then you want to change this to a weapon. This is scrapped portal gun. And here's a really handy trick. move the portal gun like under the player, like that. If you're wondering why I did that, you're just going to have to see. Let's just wait for this to load, and as you can see, we have a portal gun that is given to us automatically. God, this is so bright. I actually can create a test chamber with everything. Well, you know what? Yeah, this is going to be the end of this tutorial. If you found this video, then actually no, it's going to be public. So anyways, bye bye. Bye bye.